Okay. The sun is so high and cool. A skincare vlog. I am going to bring you with me to experience an invasive non-surgical skincare program. And let's try this and let's do this. Our Vlogmas day 9! Yup! So this is their menu. This is their services. We have here this Korean VIP whitening body treatment. And they also have the hair removal, body massage relaxation, and also the Exilis treatment for slimming, and also this one, the Thermage. So I am going to try the Exilis treatment for slimming. And that costs 1,000 or 15,000 yen per session. For the face, for the tummy, and for the arms, ichimang sansing 30,000 yen, and for the legs is 17,000 yen. So let's try this here at Renda Beauty. Wearing this Renda Beauty robe na matagal ko nang gustong suotin. Okay, I'm now going to start for the Exilis. This is the non-invasive and non-surgical face lifting procedure. And she's Miss Renda.
Yes, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, ma'am.
Yoroshiku.
Thank you for coming.
Okay, mag-i-start muna daw tayo sa facial using this machine here. And ilang minutes siya?
Ano siya? Yan ma'am, mga ano lang yan siya, mga 10 to 15 minutes lang. Ang facial. Ngayon.
Okay, this will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Then after this facial here, we are now going to use this machine for Exilis. Nakaka-excite.
Na-excite si ma'am.
So we are now going to start the Exilis.
Yes.
Using this machine here.
Yes.
And where is the magic wand?
This
here?
one. Yes.
Okay, we are
for
going
the face.
For the face, we are going to use this magic wand here, and this is for the body.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Yes, I'm excited.
Kailangan palang lagyan itong pad here para daw
grounding pad.
This is the grounding pad para
yes,
hindi tayo
makuryente. Opo.
Okay.
Tayong dalawa.
Yoroshiku, Miss Glenda.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu po.
Ang bait niya.
Ay, si Madam din naman eh. Mabait. Sobra.
Okay, Yoroshiku.
Okay po. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu po.
Anong tawag dyan?
Ito, gel. Cooling gel po. To protect the heat na feel mo. Pwede mag-stress na hindi ka, hindi ka uncomfortable. Kailangan mo ganyan. So, start. Start na tayo ng sige po. Also. So, I'm currently doing XLS. This is good for skin tightening and face contouring. Okay lang yung hip, ma'am. Po siya. Pati sa neck kasama po siya. Start na kami for the XLS. Start na naman.
Nararamdaman ko nagtatighten yung skin ko.
Diba? Nagtatighten siya. Yan. Kitang-kita talaga siya. Sa kabila.
Okay, this is the difference. Ito yung trinit na niya and then ito yung hindi pa natitreat. Parang ang nag-leaf ito, di ba?
Tingnan mo.
Tingnan natin dito.
Kabila. Dito mo, oh.
Oo, tsaka nararamdaman ko. Mukha nga talagang nag-leaf ito kesa here.
Yung sab po dito sa kabila. Tsaka yung dito, nag-leaf dito.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you!
Thank you din po.
Punta tayo sa kabila.
Okay po. Start here.
Okay, we are now going to do the eye here.
Eye treatment for the XLS.
Okay, anong tawag dyan, Miss Renda?
Ito, eye XLS treatment.
Maganda sa Exilis kasi kasama na yung eyes.
Oo, pati neck. Lahat po.
All over your upper part pala siya.
Yes po. Kasama na po yung So, we'll start here for the neck. For the eyes pala.
Ito yung importante, di ba? Kasi dyan yung part na bumabagsak.
Dito po, oo.
Oh, and then dito sa may talukap.
Yes po. Nagiging droopy.
I hate that. Alam mo kung bakit? Pag nag-eyeshadow ako.
Oo.
Hindi na nakikita yung ganda ng eyeshadow.
Diba? Started dito na.
Okay.
Okay lang?
It feels so good. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Wala siyang pain, ha? Yung feeling niya na parang, alam mo yung meron. Ito na yung last step.
Yes po, ito na po yung last steps.
For protection daw.
Yes,
so, hindi pwede mag-wash ng face
Hindi
for...
pwede mag-wash ng face for 8 hours.
Okay.
Siguro yung customer ko. Here. Ayan, para wala na tayong mag-ground.
Okay.
Joke lang.
Tapos na end. Mga 30 minutes lang talaga siya, di ba?
Oo. Mga 30 minutes lang talaga. With wala siyang kasalin yan. Pero yung for the whole talaga. Oo.
Yung feeling ko parang nag-lift talaga yung face ko here. Lalo na dito sa part na to.
Dito na part, no? Parang nag-up talaga siya. Nakikita ko.
Can you see the difference kanina? I love it.
Pero kang si Ma'am Rochelle. Mata.
Talaga. Okay. Okay na tayo dito.
Okay na po.
Okay, everyone, please visit her, Miss
Thank you so
Renda,
much.
Renda Beauty,
Yoroshiku
here in
onegaishimasu.
Kyoto.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu po.
This
Wala
is
ko tumawag ulit. Sabi na sa'yo. Sige.
okay. This is not my first. This will not gonna be my first time here. Babalik at babalik tayo
Yes.
dito. Yup, together with you.
Wow.
Experience to try the service at Renda Beauty. Yup, the Exilis, it is one of my pangarap talaga to try that, as well as the Thermage. Pero kasi medyo mahal yung Thermage, I'm still on saving money for it. Kaya Exilis muna tayo. But anyway, I know that it is now my first time there. Marami pa tayong mga araw, marami pang mga susunod na araw to try their services. Okay, the difference between Thermage and Exilis is that yung Thermage kasi once or twice a year mo siya pwedeng gawin. While the Exilis, siguro mga 4 to 5 sessions siya bago mo makita yung result ng lifting curva ng inyong face. It was a nice day meeting Miss Renda. It was a productive day and I hope nakapag-enjoy kayo sa aking beauty vlog today, and I am going to share more on beauty on this Vlogmas 2020. See you again on our Vlogmas Day 10. Bye-bye!